Hey guys, if you're looking for a really fun activity for your kid who loves to explore, then you have to check out this really cool digital microscope. This microscope is so nice. I love the size of it. It fits perfect in a kid's hand so they can run around, they can explore. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. On the side here, you do have your on button. So you can go ahead and turn it on. The screen's gonna pop on. So right then you can go ahead and start using the microscope. You can see different images, super clear. And then here on the front, you do have where you can increase and decrease the light. And then you can also have a zoom, so you can zoom in a little bit more, or you can zoom out. And it's really cool is you also can take a picture with this, so you can go ahead and just hit the OK button. It's going to take a picture for you. You can go ahead and save those, which is so fun for the kids to go ahead and explore all day long and then come back and look at all their pictures. Also on the side here, it does have a button you can press. It's going to take you to your menu. There's different games on here for kids to play. You can have your playback, which is going to show you all your pictures, language, brightness, different formats that you can use, screensavers, different options like that. So it also comes with these little discs that have little pictures on them. You have everything from fruit, vehicles, nature, different animals, and it's really cool for the kids. They can go ahead and just set them down, look at them with a microscope. It gives them something fun to look at. Now to charge this up, it's really easy. On the side here, you can go ahead and plug it in. It does come with your charging cord. It also comes with a really nice lantern that you can go ahead and connect to it. That way your kids can wear it around their neck so they won't drop it while they're out exploring. So this is so much fun. I love actually using this indoors, especially with winter coming up. The kids can go around. They love just lining up their toys, looking at different things, whether it's different objects like from the kitchen or their toys or fabric. It's really cool to see it up close. So if you're looking for something to spark your kids' imagination, this microscope right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.